tracks. Catch me, I'm spinning gold on my records. No, you can't compare.